Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing some homemade French toast. This French toast recipe is easy to make at home and you can make it for your mom, and this meal will represent breakfast, or like you can make it in any meal, but I would prefer for breakfast better. Okay? So let's start with making the French toast. So the ingredient we'll need: some toast, 2 eggs, a small cup of milk, a teaspoon of salt, 4 blocks of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use normal sugar, a whole spoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla. 2 eggs, then mix it. Mix it slowly. Okay. We'll need some small cup of milk. A teaspoon of salt. A cube of brown sugar. Then mix it. Then when you finish mixing, we're gonna go into the frying part. So now we're done with mixing. So after, we're gonna take the toast, then put it in the frying. Okay, for the second step, we're gonna fry our French toast. We will need a spoon of butter. Okay. Then leave it till it moves around. Now we'll take our toast here, then we're gonna dip it in the syrup that we did. Okay, dip it really well. Okay, then put your toast. Then leave it till it becomes hot. Then when it becomes hot, you can flip it, then leave it also hot from the two sides. Okay. So now we're gonna flip it. Flip it. Also keep it crunchy or not crunchy. Do you leave it like this? Okay. That's it. add any syrup. I will add some honey and any syrup you want. Here's the honey. There we go. Then add your syrup. There we go. Okay. So don't forget to make this at home. It will turn so much yummy for you. And bon appetit!